In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add double EMA indicators on TradingView Pro, quick and easy guide. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and have a chart open for any asset you want to analyze. It could be a stock, a crypto pair, or a forex pair. The process is exactly the same. We're going to add the double EMA indicator directly onto this chart so you can start using it in your trading right away. On your chart, look toward the top area of the screen for the Indicators button. It's usually near the toolbar where you change timeframes and chart types. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This is where all of TradingView's built-in tools and community scripts live. Once the Indicators panel opens, you'll see different sections and categories. You want to head over to the Technical section. This is where you'll find most of the standard analysis tools traders use every day. Clicking on Technical helps you filter out all the non-chart related items and keeps things simple. Inside this panel, look for the search bar. It's typically at the top of the indicators window. Click into that search bar so you can start typing. This search function is your quickest way to locate any indicator without scrolling through long lists. Now type double EMA into the search bar. As you type, TradingView will start showing you matching indicators. Make sure you select the double EMA indicator from the list that appears. Once you click it, it will automatically be added to your chart. You should now see the double EMA lines overlaying your price action. From here, you can customize the settings if you'd like. You can adjust the lengths, colors, and line styles to match your strategy and make your chart easier to read. Don't be afraid to experiment with different settings, but always keep your trading plan in mind so you stay consistent. If you don't already have TradingView Pro, or you're using a free version and want to unlock more features, use the link in my video description to sign up. That way, you can access more indicators, more alerts, and a smoother overall experience while you trade. And that's it. You've successfully added the double EMA indicator to your TradingView Pro chart, and you're ready to start using it in your technical analysis.